Hey beautiful people, it's your boy Kagayano back with another video. Today we're tackling a topic you guys have been asking about: non-stop hair health. We all want that luscious, thick and healthy hair, right? Well, it all starts with what you put inside your body. We're about to break down 13 incredible foods that can seriously boost your hair growth and make those strands stronger than ever. So, if you're ready to transform those locks and unleash your hair's full potential, stick around. It's time to ditch the hair gummies and head straight for the grocery store. Let's get started. First up, we've got the heavy hitters of the hair world: fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna and sardines. Omega-3 fatty acids in these fish are essential for hair growth. They nourish your scalp and keep those hair follicles healthy and strong. Plus, they can even help reduce inflammation, which is a major culprit behind hair loss. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish a week. Your hair will thank you. Next up, we've got a breakfast staple that's also a hair growth superstar: eggs. These little guys are like the multivitamin of the hair world. They're loaded with protein and biotin. Protein is the building block of hair, and biotin is crucial for the production of keratin. So don't skip out on those eggs in the morning. Whether you like them scrambled, poached or in an omelette, make sure you're getting your daily dose of hair-boosting goodness. Now, let's talk about those leafy greens. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale and collard greens are nutritional powerhouses, especially for hair health. These greens are packed with vitamins A and C, which are essential for a healthy scalp. Vitamin A helps your scalp produce sebum, and vitamin C protects your hair follicles from damage. Load up on those salads, blend them into smoothies or saute them as a side dish. Your scalp and your hair will thank you. Chapter 4. Nuts and seeds, tiny but powerful hair boosters. Don't underestimate the power of nuts and seeds. These little guys are like nutritional powerhouses for your hair. We're talking almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, you name it. They're loaded with vitamin E, zinc and selenium. Vitamin E protects your hair from damage and promotes hair growth. Zinc helps with cell reproduction and repair, and selenium helps prevent hair loss. Sprinkle some nuts and seeds on your yogurt, add them to your trail mix, or enjoy a spoonful of nut butter. Your hair will be stronger and healthier. Chapter 5. Sweet potatoes, deliciously good for hair growth. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for a healthy scalp and promotes hair growth. Plus, sweet potatoes are also a good source of vitamin C and other antioxidants, which help protect your hair from damage. Roast them, bake them, mash them. Get creative with your sweet potatoes and enjoy the hair-boosting benefits. Chapter 6. Berries, antioxidant powerhouses for hair. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. They're not just delicious, they're also nutritional powerhouses for hair health. Berries are bursting with antioxidants and vitamins that protect your hair follicles from damage and promote hair growth. Vitamin C helps with collagen production, which is essential for strong and healthy hair. Add some berries to your breakfast, snack on them throughout the day, or blend them into a delicious smoothie. Your hair will be glowing from the inside out. Next up, we have the beloved avocado. This creamy fruit is having a moment, and for good reason. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, vitamins and minerals that are essential for hair health. Vitamin E helps protect your hair from damage, and healthy fats improve hair strength and shine. Add some avocado to your toast, salads, or even make a delicious guacamole. Your hair will be soft, shiny, and oh so healthy. Now, this one might come as a surprise to some of you, but oysters are fantastic for your hair. They're loaded with zinc, which is essential for cell growth and repair, including the cells in your hair follicles. Zinc also helps keep your scalp healthy and can even help prevent hair loss. Try incorporating oysters into your diet a couple of times a month. Your hair will definitely reap the benefits. Let's talk about meat. Lean meats like chicken, turkey and fish are excellent sources of protein, which is the building block of hair. Protein is essential for strong, healthy hair growth. Without enough of it, your hair might become weak, brittle and prone to breakage. Include a good source of protein in your diet every day for healthier, stronger hair. Chapter 10, Legumes, Plant-Based Power for Hair Growth. For all my plant-based eaters out there, don't worry, I've got you covered. Legumes like lentils, beans and chickpeas are fantastic sources of plant-based protein. Legumes are also packed with iron, zinc and biotin, all of which are important for hair health. Iron helps carry oxygen to your hair follicles. Zinc helps with cell reproduction and repair. And biotin is essential for hair growth. Load up on those lentil soups, bean burritos and chickpea salads. Your hair will be full of life and vitality. Bell peppers, especially the red ones, are like little vitamin C bombs. Vitamin C is crucial for hair health. It helps with collagen production, which strengthens hair strands and prevents breakage. Add some bell peppers to your stir-fries, salads, or even snack on them raw. Your hair will be stronger, healthier, and full of shine. Now, let's talk about buckwheat. Buckwheat is a great gluten-free grain packed with nutrients, including complex carbohydrates, which are essential for hair growth. Complex carbs provide energy to your body, including your hair cells, crucial for hair growth and repair. Buckwheat is also a good source of protein, fiber, and minerals like copper and magnesium. Try incorporating buckwheat into your diet. Use it as a breakfast porridge, add it to salads, or use it as a rice alternative. Last but not least, we have yogurt. Yogurt, especially Greek yogurt, is a great source of protein essential for hair growth. It's also a good source of vitamin B5, which helps strengthen hair follicles, improve hair growth, and prevent hair thinning. Enjoy a bowl of yogurt for breakfast. Add it to your smoothies or use it as a healthy topping for your meals. Your hair will be healthier and more manageable in no time. There you have it, my friends. 13 incredible foods that can help you achieve the luscious, healthy hair you've always dreamed of. Remember, a healthy diet is the foundation of healthy hair. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your meals, you'll be giving your hair the building blocks it needs to grow strong, shiny, and full of life. Real hair health starts with what you eat. Hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and let's start growing those amazing heads of hair together. Until next time, stay healthy, stay beautiful.